The next step, we've got the sewing guide function. So again, I'm in my help screen, right? So if you're here, you hit that. Now notice, if you hit that, key cannot be used at this time. That's because right now, this is my home screen. If I'm actually in the sewing functions though, I can hit that help thing and the sewing guide and all sorts of options load up. Okay. Again, real basic stuff. It talks about scallops gathering. These are all the various features that are on this little shirt displayed here. Talks about zipper insertion, and you also have for quilting, if you wanted to piece quilt or do any kind of, well, they have echo quilting applique. But these are things that you can work on with your sewing. Now, these are your straight stitches that are available. Options 1, 5, and 6. Normal sewing, reinforced, or stretch fabric. Overcasting. These are some of your overcasting stitches. And the machine's literally telling you if you are not sure, if you're brand spanking new to sewing and you're not sure which stitches to use for which project, the machine's going to tell you. This is how the machines will win the war against man. Everybody thinks it's going to be guns. It's not. It's going to be arts and crafts that take down humanity. I'm telling you.